Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is future Nancy popping in, letting you know that this is actually part 2 of the Stanford Move In series. If you haven't already, go check out part 1 of the vlog. I'll link it up right here. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can follow my new uploads. And enjoy! Good morning! Today is such a nice day and we are probably gonna go out to see the campus. There's like a small park in there. You should say hi.
Hi.
Let's go that way. We're heading toward the Memorial Church. That's the back of the Memorial Church. It's so pretty, I know. I have passed the iconic scene at Stanford. It's so pretty today. That's Betty. This is what it looks like, and Nancy's right there taking pictures. Oh, so I just fell off my skateboard and that was not fun. I think something stopped me and I'm not sure what stopped me. Oh, look at my arm. It hurts. Oh no. It's okay. It's normal. Okay, let's clean it. Betty got her new iPad Pro today and she's super excited about it. I want to use your keyboard.
Oh yeah, for sure, go for it. Like it clicks.
Wow.
And this one clicks. Hello?
Guys, I can't believe what I just got from Andy. It's amazing. This is their small candy bears. I actually have no idea what this is. It says chocolate vodka shots. Wow. Oh, I want to try them right now. It's so good. Okay. Oh my god. I can't. This is too pretty.
There's this whole ton of instructions to read through.
Sad. It's okay. Once you get the hang of it, you know how to do it.
Ooh, this is fancy. Okay, yeah, they have like all the ooh.
대박.
Hey, look at this. Look at the menu. Oh my god.
This is the coffee that Betty got, Pete's Coffee, and she says that it'll taste exactly the same as the $4 coffee that she buys every day. We're saving money.
1 tablespoon of finely grind coffee for 1 shot. So I need 2 shots. That's a lot of coffee beans. Before that,
I feel like this is a lot of work for like every morning.
this is not a lot of work. It becomes like enjoyable if you keep doing it.
Okay.
Okay. How is it gonna... Okay, I guess that's when this kind of thing's gonna work.
Is that how you actually use it?
Yeah, that's actually how I use it.
Oh.
right? One shot. So those are 2 espresso shots. And then I'm gonna start fozzering the milk. One shot in, 2 shots in. Oh, JK, doesn't fit.
Looks pretty good.
Very amateurish. First cup of latte. It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How is it compared to the coffee that you buy?
I think it's actually better because I made it myself. Let's try stirring it.
Lol. With the chopstick. I was able to install this thing to hold my phone so that I can use Google Maps while I'm driving. No, while I'm biking. We are currently here at the Stanford bookstore. Right now it's closed and it's only open for pickup. Betty just got all of her Stanford swag. She got sweaters, t-shirts. Let's see. Let's take a peek. Ooh, fancy, fancy. I like the color.
Yeah, me too. It's a little big, isn't it?
Is it small or medium?
It's a medium.
What about your hoodie? Let me see.
Is it a little big?
No, I think it looks good.
You think?
I like it. Yeah.
You like it?
Is it medium?
Yeah, it's medium.
I got myself this cardinal red oversized hoodie. I really like it. This is actually a men's hoodie, size medium, and I think it fits perfectly on me. I really like the oversize. So Betty and I got our very first free swag from Stanford. It's actually a care package, so it's really nice of them. We have water bottle. This is a foldable picnic cloth, and in here we have a cloth mask, some clinical masks, hand sanitizers, thermometer. That's basically it. I actually really like this bag. There isn't a whole ton in here, but I am really happy that they gave us something. This is almost done. It looks really, really good. We've got the final dish. It's so good. This was the first time I DIY cutting my hair, and it was also Betty's first time cutting someone else's hair. Oh, and this is all because of COVID. But at least we got to try something new. So in this clip, you can see that we were trying to work with a garbage bag to make it look like the protection case thing, because it was really just the closest thing that we had, and luckily it eventually worked. Both of us did not know how haircuts work at all, like the layers and curvatures and stuff. So we were experimenting with different ways of dividing my hair. You can actually see that in the beginning I had 2 buns on my head, but then it turned into 1 because the first way wasn't really working. I told Betty that I'll be happy with whatever it ends up like. Worst case, we'll just give up on layers, which is kind of what we did, but it still turned out great. After Betty was done with the back, I worked on the front and bangs for probably another hour, so 3 hours total and we were done. It was hard, but not impossible to do at home. So today I asked my roommate Betty to help me cut my hair, and it's finally short again. I really like short hair because it saves me so much time washing and blow drying my hair. I asked Betty to help me cut the back and I trimmed the front a little bit. And now I have these like slanted bangs. I actually don't know what you call them. But yeah, pretty happy about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can follow my newest uploads. If you have any video suggestions, feel free to let me know. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!